From the moment that you came into my life, I knew that my heart would never be the same. A little light shining so bright. PatsyAnne, you're my sweetest refrain. Through every tear, through every smile, I'll love you more, just stay a while. With every heartbeat, with every sigh, you and I, together we'll fly. Endless love from me to you, forever strong, forever true. In your eyes I see the skies, a love that never fades, never dies. PatsyAnne, you're my world, my dove. Endless, endless, endless love. I'll be here through the highs and the lows. Every step you take, watch how you grow. No matter what the future brings, you'll always have the warmth of my wings. Through every laugh, through every dream, you're my sunshine, you're my beam. With every touch, with every kiss, you are my endless happiness. Endless love from me to you, forever strong, forever true. In your eyes I'll see the skies, a love that never fades, never dies. PatsyAnne, you're my world, my dove. Endless, endless, endless love. When the world feels too big and wide, just know that I'm right by your side. No distance, no time